2022 BMW iX Review, Flagship Electric SUV Driven. BMW's Flagship, for the moment anyway, electric vehicle takes the form of a full-size, 5-seater SUV with big batteries and big price tags. Like it or not, flagship electric vehicles from most manufacturers are SUVs like the 2022 BMW iX tested here because that's what buyers insist upon. BMW's boss Frank van Meel even admitted electric SUVs are what they want, and that's just the way it is. And so it was with a somewhat heavy heart when I saw BMW pull the covers off what has become the new 9 that it wasn't an M5 or something equally unlikely. Big SUVs are big business, and BMW was part of the genesis of the step change in the motoring industry that has very nearly killed the sedan. The company itself insisted that its first mainstream EV would be a 3 or 5 series sized car, but almost overnight that honor went to the 9-3, an electrified X3. The i4 came along first in concept and then production form, and hot on its heels came something quite different, philosophically and stylistically. Drawing on the BMW i4 bears that paved the way, the i3 and the i8, the 9 sets the benchmark for future BMW EVs with its construction of carbon fiber and aluminium plus a genuinely inventive and more sustainable interior. The question is, does BMW do the same thing for this segment as it did to define the sports sedan?